Hi there, Doc Davis, spine specialist, orthopedic spine surgeon. Today I'm going to answer the most Googled questions about neck and back pain. Why does my back hurt? Great question. Kind of like trying to answer why am I tired at the end of the day. There are so many reasons why your back could hurt, but there are a few that are more common than others, and I'll let you know what they are. Your back can hurt for several reasons. Commonly would be things such as a muscle strain where you tear or pull the muscles in your lower back, an arthritic spine where it's stiff and aged, an injured disc, or a pinched nerve. Why does my back hurt when I cough? Coughing puts extra strain on the discs. It's called a valsalva when you strain, such as going to the bathroom or even coughing. It actually pressurizes the disc and causes it to bulge out. And there's nerve fibers on the outer covering of the disc. They get stretched, it causes pain. So a typical explanation for why your back might hurt when you cough or strain is because of the disc is getting stretched. Why does my back hurt when I wake up? What doesn't hurt when you wake up? Add your back to the list, I guess. But it's quite common for patients to tell me that their back hurts when they wake up, and there's a pretty good explanation for that. Have you ever tried starting a car in the morning on a cold winter? Have you ever tried to get up and just start running from a all-day nap? It's that stress and strain on our spine that the body doesn't like. It's a shock to the system, kind of like jumping into a cold shower. And if you have an arthritic back or a back that's been overworked from the day before from sports activities or the type of job you have, the hardest thing to do is for our body to get going in the next day. This is all normal. If your back hurts too much after getting up in the morning for days on end or is too severe, maybe you should see someone, like a spine specialist. Why does my back hurt when I lay down? Normally when you lay down, you're looking forward to it. It's time to relax and be comfortable. If your back hurts when you lay down, it's usually because you've overdone it. And by overdoing it, you've stretched and strained and aggravated the muscles in your lower back. Typically this is short-lived and should pass and not require any treatment. One reason why your back might hurt when you lay down is if you have narrowing around the nerves in your lower back, something we call spinal stenosis. When you arch back, it actually narrows the spinal canal and puts a little extra pressure on the nerves, and that pressure on the nerves can send a signal to the back muscles making them hurt. A lot of times you'll notice if you go turn and lay on your side, your back will stop hurting. It may be that you have some pinched nerves in your back. It may be that you just don't have a good mattress. Why does my back hurt when I run? If you're like me, when I run, the last thing I'd notice is my back hurting. I'll be out of breath, I'll have chest pain, and I'm bent over trying to gasp for air. But if you're in shape and you're noticing that your back hurts when you run, it could be from a few different causes. When you run, the impact placed on your spine can cause the disc to get overloaded, and that can send pain to the back muscles. Sometimes you're just having a bad day and things hurt more than normal, and that's okay. If you're able to run through the pain and it clears quickly, there's no need to be concerned. If pain persists throughout your run, and even more so if you're hurting after you've stopped that activity, then you need to be seen by a back doctor, by me. We've covered a few reasons why your back could hurt. Sometimes it's just because you don't have a good back. If you want to learn more, subscribe and follow, and we'll keep covering this topic.